Hi everyone, I'm Isan. In this video, I'll show you 15 hidden One UI 8.5 features that can unlock the full potential of your Galaxy phone. Alright, now let's take a look at all the features. The first feature is especially useful if you often watch videos with a lot of background noise. When playing a video, you can simply open the quick panel. Then at the top, tap the audio eraser feature in One UI 8.5. So even if the video has background noise, you can still enjoy it without distractions and focus on the voice. So you can still enjoy the video with clear vocals even when listening through earphones. You can activate this feature while playing videos in almost any social media app, including TikTok, YouTube, and others. So with One UI 8.5, background noise is no longer a problem. Just turn on audio eraser from the quick panel. Next, there's also a very useful feature for those of you who often use the calculator app. The calculator app in One UI 8.5 now looks more dynamic, with new animations that change colors when you press the number keys or the delete button. But there's an even more useful feature in the calculator app. It can directly perform calculations from text that you've copied. Now, when you copy a math calculation and open the calculator app, you'll see a clipboard suggestion that you can tap to calculate it instantly. It works similarly to the clipboard feature in the Samsung keyboard. And now this feature is integrated directly into the calculator app when you copy a math calculation. So you can get results from your calculations much faster. Next, in One UI 8.5, there's also an interesting feature when you use screen recording. In the screen recording options, besides full screen, there's now a new partial screen option. This feature allows you to record only a selected portion of the screen. It will be very useful when you only want to record a specific part of the screen without having to crop it later. So now you can record only what you need, making screen recording more flexible and convenient. Next, if you don't like answering calls from unknown numbers because you don't know who's calling, this feature will be very useful for you. This feature is called call screening, and it will automatically screen spam calls on your phone. When this feature is enabled, incoming spam calls will be handled automatically and answered for you. You can also check the AI-generated transcript in real time during the call. You can enable this feature from the phone dialer settings, and from there you can also select other languages besides English. Then, if you're busy and there's an incoming call, you can have it recorded as a voicemail and saved on your phone. To enable this feature, simply turn on direct voicemail in the phone dialer settings. And to activate it automatically when you don't answer, enable auto send to voicemail. Here you can choose the delay time before the call is sent to voicemail. What's even more interesting is the transcript assist feature, which can automatically transcribe incoming calls. And the best part is, this feature supports multiple languages. In One UI 8.5, when you turn on the flashlight, an indicator will appear on the now bar on the lock screen and in the notification panel. So you can easily tell if the flashlight is accidentally on and turn it off directly from there. Next, the Edge panel in One UI 8.5 also comes with several improvements. First, you can now open Smart Select just by holding the Edge panel handle. And second, when you open the Edge panel settings, it now takes you straight to the settings menu. Previously, it went straight to the panel menu, but now it's finally been fixed in One UI 8.5. And another interesting update is that the Edge panel now supports landscape mode. To use Edge panel in landscape mode, just turn on Show in landscape mode in the Edge panel settings. So now you can access Edge panel even when your phone is in landscape orientation. Next, in One UI 8.5, you can now customize the folder transparency. Previously, you could only change the background color, but now you can also adjust the opacity for both small and large folders. You can even set the opacity to 0, making the folder completely invisible. Then, widgets now support opacity settings as well, so you can make your widget background transparent. And some widgets, like Now Brief, can even create a liquid glass effect when the opacity is set to the lowest level. You can also set folders to a low opacity to get a transparent glass effect. The settings differ between small and large folders, so feel free to experiment based on your layout and wallpaper. The key here is keeping the opacity low. Next, there are also important security settings that you should enable. You can find them in Security and Privacy, then go to More Security Settings. Here, you can enable the Inactivity Restart feature. This feature will automatically restart your phone if there's no activity for 72 hours. After restarting, biometric unlock will be disabled, and you'll need to use a PIN or password first. This Inactivity Restart feature is actually not exclusive to One UI 8.5. When we checked this feature on the S25 Ultra, we found that it's not exclusive to One UI 8.5. It's already available on One UI 8.0 after the latest update. There's also another security feature that locks your phone after failed biometric attempts. So if someone keeps trying to unlock an app that requires biometrics and fails, the phone will automatically lock them out and send them back to the lock screen. To enable this feature, go to Settings, then open Security and Privacy. Open Lost Device Protection, choose Theft Protection, and enable Failed Authentication Lock. And after that, your device will be more protected from unauthorized biometric unlock attempts. Next, the fingerprint feature also gets an update to improve accuracy. Now you can register the same finger multiple times to improve recognition. In One UI 8.5, after you register your fingerprint, there's now an additional feature to improve accuracy. So for each fingerprint that you register, you can improve accuracy by registering the same finger again. So if some fingers feel less responsive when unlocking, you can re-register the same finger to improve accuracy. Next, if you install a new app and it shows a lot of ads, you'll definitely appreciate this feature. This feature can detect and automatically block apps that display excessive ads. You can find and enable this feature in Device Care. In Device Care, just tap the three-dot menu in the top right, then select Settings. At the top, you'll see the option to block apps with excessive ads. Then just go in and turn on Intelligent Blocking. Next, there are camera settings in One UI 8.5 that you should turn on. This helps ensure that when you take photos or videos quickly, the results aren't blurry because the focus becomes faster. You can find this feature in the camera settings, then go to Camera Assistant. Then here you can find the autofocus speed and sensitivity feature. To get faster autofocus for photos and videos, simply slide this setting all the way to the right. So now autofocus becomes much faster when taking photos and videos on your phone. Next, if you're sensitive to flashing or strobing lights that can make you dizzy, this feature will be very helpful. This feature will automatically dim the screen when it detects flashing or strobing lights in a video. To enable this feature, go to Settings, then Accessibility, and open Vision Enhancement. Then scroll down and enable Dim Strobing option. This feature will automatically detect strobing effects on the screen, so if you play a video with flashing lights, the screen will dim automatically. And those are 15 hidden features of One UI 8.5. Which one is your favorite and would you use every day? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.